Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 4 best toddler kids tricycles. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. KRIDDO Kids Tricycles. Age 24 month to 4 years, toddler kids trike for 2.5 to 5-year-old, gift toddler tricycles for 2 to 4-year-olds, trikes for toddlers. Toddler Tricycle. KRIDDO Kids Tricycle is designed for 24 to 48-month toddler girls and boys who are curious and excited to explore the world. It helps to develop kids' steering skills, steering and coordination at an early age. KRIDDO Kids Trike for 2-year-old lets your kids enjoy riding and gain confidence, as well as develop muscle strength. It's a fun gift for your little ones. Improved rollover prevention. This interactive toddler trike for 2 to 4 years features a smarter triangular design with extended rear wheels, wider wheelbase to help prevent tipping or rolling over when kids are learning to ride. Easy to carry seat and comfortable grips. The ergonomic design of our kids trike boasts a comfier seat for small bottoms. The design makes it easy to carry around. The smooth edges and non-slip handle grip also provide them better support during early learning active play. Indoor and outdoor use. KRIDDO Kids Tricycle is built with solid structure, which makes outdoor riding safe. The shock absorption silent wheels allow your kids ride around silently inside the house and do no damage to your floors. Attention to safety. We have always considered the importance of safety for toddlers. KRIDDO Kids Tricycle for 1.5 to 5-year-old is made of high-quality material, BPA-free, matte non-toxic paint and conform to America Toy Standard. This ensures that they are safe for kids. You will get a sturdy kids trike, but don't leave your baby alone when playing with it. Number 2. Newyoo Toddler Bike. 4-in-1 tricycles for 1, 2, 3-year-olds, balance bike, birthday gift and toy for boys and girls, kids tricycle with parent steering push handle, removable pedals. 5 modes: push tricycle mode, push balance bike mode, tricycle mode, balance bike mode and bike mode. Multifunctional tricycle is suitable for 1, 2, 3 years old boys and girls. Steering push handlebar, rotating 135 degrees to control and steer the speed and direction of tricycle. Protecting your child from falling down and injuring. It also can be adjusted according parents' height so that dad and mom can accompany to practice with your little. Adjustable handlebar, seat and pedals. Press the red button to adjust handlebar and seat. There's 3 positions for placing pedals when transforming different modes. Carbon steel frame and EVA wheels, EN 188 and ASTM approved. Made of high-quality carbon steel, EVA solid shock absorbing wheels and environment-friendly PP seat. Long-lasting life, durable and stylish design. Easy access to use, much easier to assemble handlebar and wheels. Press buttons to convert it into different modes. Suitable for 1 to 3 years kids under 43.3 inches, 110 centimeters. Number 3. Newyoo TR008 Toddler Tricycles. For 1 to 3-year-olds. Toddler bike, baby balance bike, Christmas and birthday gift for boy and girl, trike with push handle, safety guard, safety belt. Steering push handlebar, rotating 135 degrees to control and steer the speed and direction of tricycle. Protecting your child from falling down and injuring. It also can be adjusted according parents' height so that dad and mom can accompany to practice with your little one. Adjustable handlebar, seat and pedals. Press the red button to adjust handlebar and seat. There's 3 positions for placing pedals when transforming different modes. Carbon steel frame and EVA wheels, EN 188 and ASTM approved. Made of high-quality carbon steel, EVA solid shock absorbing wheels and environment-friendly PP seat. Long-lasting life, durable and stylish design. Easy access to use, much easier to assemble handlebar and wheels. Press buttons to convert it into different modes. Suitable for 1 to 3 years kids under 43. 3 inches, 110 centimeters. Number 4. JMMD Toddler Bike. With push handle for kids 18 to 60 months, 6-in-1 foldable push bike with training wheels, pedals, brakes, kickstand, kid balance bike gift and toys for boy and girl. Bike type, balance bike. Brand, JMMD. Color, mint. Wheel size, 12 inches. Frame material, alloy steel. Suspension type, rigid. Special feature, folding. Included components, training wheel, kickstand. Multifunctional kids bike. This 6-in-1 kids bike can be transformed into 6 modes: push bike mode with training wheels, kids bike mode, balance bike mode with kickstand, and folded mode, which meet the needs of children 18 to 60 months, bringing children the joy of riding. Easy to assemble. The new package needs to install the front wheel. Please refer to the installation video on the homepage. Our push-handle toddler bike uses a toolless design. Installation takes just a few minutes. The red button in the middle of the bike body helps you fold quickly, and the small size bike is easy to store. Durable and stable. Durable steel frame ensures the stability and safety of the kids' bike. The high-quality all-terrain inflatable-free rubber wheels provide shock absorption, which is suitable for riding on various ground surfaces. In addition, the handbrake is designed for emergency braking or to prevent skidding, ensuring the safety of children. Gifts for beginners. JMMD Toddler Bike is an ideal choice for birthday or holiday gifts for boys and girls aged 18 to 60 months. Switching between training wheels and kickstand allows them to learn to ride more easily, which enhances hand and foot coordination ability. The height of the seat and handlebar can be adjusted according to your child's height. Buy with confidence. Please feel free to contact us if you have any question about JMMD Toddler Balance Bike. We will provide for satisfaction after sales program. Please rest assured to buy. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.